Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Sony A6000 camera. This process can help resolve various issues or prepare your camera for a new user. We'll cover both soft and hard resets, ensuring you can get your camera back to its optimal factory settings. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments to complete. First, let's look at a soft reset, which primarily affects your shooting settings. This is useful if you've made many adjustments and want to revert to the default camera modes without losing your personalized configurations. It's a quick way to clear out any accidental changes or test new settings. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more camera tips. On another note, just like a fresh camera reset, sometimes you need a fresh car. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Trees Black Ice air freshener. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for a full hard reset, which completely initializes your camera. This option wipes all custom settings, Wi-Fi information, and any personalized data, returning your A6000 to its out-of-the-box condition. It's ideal for troubleshooting persistent problems or when selling your camera.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.